Basically, what happened was after stream, Labrat was like, "Hey, I want to make a website. Hey, why don't you go learn HTML?" And I'm like, "Okay, why?" It's like, "Because you should learn it." And I'm like, "Okay, all right, Labrat, I'll go learn HTML." So I look up this place called W Cubed Schools, and the description of this tutorial is HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML, you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn. You will enjoy it. Oh boy! Oh no, what am I getting myself into? I'm gonna have to market myself as knowing HTML now. Ah! Okay. Let's go to the programming screen. Oh no, the programming screen is just empty for some reason. I don't know why it's like that. Why are you like that, thing? Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Well, that's a problem. I probably should have set this up beforehand. I'm so sorry. Give me a moment. You know what? Let me put on some music while this is happening because, oh yeah, that's great. Uh, shite. Nope, can't do that. I thought this was video game music, not rehash of game music. I'm gonna get struck for that. Screw it. We'll just throw Heartbound on. Oh, like that. Let's hop back to live, go to sources, grab this overlay, copy, go back to scenes, go back to programming, go to sources, paste! Oh my gosh, it works! Now you can see the waveforms of my mellifluous voice as it slowly decays into obscurity and disease. Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's how this is going to go. I'm gonna grab window capture, HTML, coding. Okay, add, not you. Damn! This is fucking fire! Holy hell! This is from Heartbound? Is it? I don't think it is. I don't think that's the actual playlist. I've been bamboozled. Bamboozled. No. Okay, just off to the Sea of Thieves then. Oh, I could do Halo ODST. That one's nice and chill for the most part. About the artist, 343 Industries is the developer of the blockbuster Halo series. Bull fucking shit! That's Bungie, you bastards! Get your fucking name off of that! Bungie made ODST, not you. Fucking shills. Okay. So over here, I've been doing a little bit of funky stuff. I'll explain it in just a second. And then let me grab. Let's see. Window Capture 2. Tutorial page. Okay, now match title, otherwise find window of same type. Nope. Window title must match. Oh. Nothing usable. Window title must match. Capture automatic. Hello, Pause! What's cooking? I'm making a website for someone. And apparently it's very simple. Study our free HTML tutorial. What is HTML? It is the hypertext markup language. Okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Basically, from what I've learned from this, right? Actually, let me put up the thing. Hang on. Whip. Haven't done that in a few years. Use Notepad or Atom. What's Atom? Is it good? Window capture. Website end result. There we go. Let me open up the HTML. There it is. All right. I wish I could crop this. Oh well. No, let's put this over here. Okay, and let's drag you over here. Okay. You go down here. Okay. We have most of that, and now I need to drag all of these into a folder. New group. HTML work. Okay, now I need to grab this whole thing and drag it down to below the chat group. There we go. Atom and Visual Code Studio are what I use. It's so easy. Okay, well, I'm doing it in Notepad because I hate myself. Okay, whatever. Let's see. With Visual Code Studio, I can preset what code I want it to use. That's useful. Perhaps you could be my teacher. You want to hop in call and... I feel so bad, because there's... Oh, shit. Built-in text editor, unique of your own. Build text... Wait, what? Programming language that actually describes itself as a hackable text editor developed by GitHub. Almost said HitGub. It gives new and intermediate programmers a chance to create their own text editor without long years of work experience. It is an open-source development software that has made alterations of code as easy as possible. Especially for experienced programmers, this is a free and powerful alternative to the other popular utilities such as Sublime Text and Visual Code. It is frankly more popular. Interesting. Can't stay for long, I have to stream later. Okay, give me a moment. Appreciate you dropping by.
It's alright.
Alright.
Hour and a half.
Okay.
That you can poke my brain for knowledge. I may not know the answer, but I can sure as hell help you find the answer to it.
So what I've learned so far is how to declare a headline and how to make that headline big versus small. Basically, how you start your declaration is you use the little carrots, and H is the declaration for headline. Then you have 1 through 6, which is different font sizes, 1 being the largest, 6 being the smallest. So, and then you end brackets that, and then you have your gibberish, right? And then you have your closing statement where you have to put that slash in, and then repeat what you just said, which was H1, and... Oops. I am making all of the faux pas.
See, this is Visual Code. This is why I like Visual Code, because it tells me, hey, line 2, column 2, spaces 4, control F to find something, and then it tells me at the bottom here in purple, you're using HTML. I haven't even typed anything when I typed a plus. But it knows immediately, hey, he wants to type in HTML, problem solved.
So wait, if I'm, I have Visual Code because I was using it to code a game. Let's see, so making a new project, I need to open a project template for the web?
So you right-click on it, you go right-click, new text file, then your new text file should look like this, right?
I don't see that. It doesn't open like that. It gives me an option to go to console app, Blazor web app, ASP.NET Core web app, ASP.NET Core web page API. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
All I did was just go file, new text file. It's all you want, or control N.
I don't have access to that. It asks me what I want first.
Why doesn't do this? Never has done this.
It asks me what, like, hey, do you want to code in Linux? Do you want to code in C++? Do you want to code in?
So yeah, you wanna scroll down on that and hit HTML.
Okay, hang on. Search for templates ML. Yes? Nope. Can't find what you're looking for. Install more tools or features.
See, I just literally see it here, like on mine. Select a language, language mode, boom. That's so many there.
.NET framework, Node.js, Python.
Where is it? HTML.
Data storage and processing, data science and analytical applications, Visual Studio extension development, Office, SharePoint, Linux, and... Search for components, HTML. Not available.
You can still use it without that template, but just being in HTML is a little easier.
Open local folder. Maybe I can just use it to open an HTML file.
Yeah, I mean... right, you want that document management. Oh. HTML document header. Oh, you're doing it a different way. See, I've got... Jesus, I've got the old way saved in my brain, which is via notepads. I need to just convert it.
You know what? I'm just gonna keep using Notepad. Once I figure out Visual Studio, we'll figure it out.
I mean, Atom is like, Notepad. It's just a little easier. You don't have the bullshit. I'll quickly show you Atom, so you know your options. Come on.
Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna. I'll
do with what you know.
Yeah, I'll deal with what I know. I don't need to worry about Atom right now. I'm just learning. All right. If I need to recode it again, that's fine. Okay. So, example explained. The doc type HTML declares that this document is an HTML document. Okay. What other declarations are there? I don't need a document, I need something for a website. HTML declarations. Okay. All HTML documents must start with the doc type declaration.
Like what I've just typed up on my end.
Right.
Just about to send you it.
For some reason, I didn't have to do that for mine for it to show up as an actual website. Or not website, but... I can open up an HTML file on the interweb.
Oh, you... Man, you are making my brain work right now.
That's kind of the plan.
Alright, so... As you can see, I've just quickly ripped up a website for dummies.
How so?
Literally, this is what your first part, your first 7 lines of your website will look like on code. At least I've changed this in the many years that I've done it. This is what it should look like.
Let me take a look. Ah, bollocks. I see. So now if I Control S and reload.
I could do this for you if you want to be lazy.
Don't worry about it. I don't want to be lazy. I want to understand why it needs to be this way. So we declared it as an HTML doc type, right? Why is the second line HTML? We already declared it as an HTML. Right?
Right, because, and I'm going to make sure of this. Because of the, I believe it's because it's the opening and closing tag. I'm just double making sure I get that right. I'm double Googling my answer because it could be wrong. So the head and /head is for the opening and closing tag.
The head?
Yeah, head/head is... So basically, how it goes, doc type is HTML. HTML is the language it's going to use, right? The head and /head are the opening type of arguments you want, the opening and closing tags you want.
Okay, so now if I save this, does it stop working? Okay, No, it's still the same. It has doing all of that hasn't changed anything about what's showing up online.
Right, so that's gonna make it. It breaks it down more. It adds more, doesn't add more, if it makes sense to you.
Wait. So, what we just did was pointless? Wait.
No, it's not pointless. You put it in there because at later times you may need to add CCS or other types of code in here, and this basically helps it determine what is what without it going into foobar mode and breaking everything.
Oh, okay. So it's basically a it's like adding layers in an art program.
Yeah,
This is a vector
exactly.
layer. This is a paint layer. This is a yeah, okay. So this is an HTML layer.
Exactly.
Okay. That's painful.
Painful, but it saves your ass in the long run.
I'll take your word for it.
Last time I did this was I was in high school when I was what, between 13 and 18, 17, and I'm past my 25s right now. So you're making my brain think.
I wish this was taught in my school.
We actually had to learn this in my school for computer class. Everyone went through computer class, and this was mandatory.
Wow. So
Not mandatory anymore.
What do you mean it's not mandatory anymore?
They decided this was useless knowledge, and we don't need it, so they got rid of it.
We are entering an age where code is probably going to be more useful than the English language, and they decided to get rid of basic shit.
Yes.
My rage caused my entire Twitch to fuck up. Did you see that?
Didn't! Because I've got like 3 things open. What happened?
I don't know, like, I'm gonna see if I can't figure it out. Hang on.
Buddy.
Just chatting, there we go. Alright. Can I clip
And
that?
you know,
How far back can I go when clipping? Cause that, my anger.
booty. Then we are slash body is space.
No, I don't think it did grab it. Sad. Okay. That was just on my end, where it just sort of like glitched the fuck out. Okay. Back to Restream dashboard. Okay, so if I'm making a website, can I do the majority of it in HTML?
Yes, the majority, yes. If my memory serves me correct, yes.
Right.
What is the time? I have any time. Oh, I need music. My brain's gonna commit self-sleep and just
What?
death.
Who are you streaming with later?
I'm doing an Armor 3 Milsim. I do it every Sunday about 8:30 my time.
Oh, my apologies. Don't let me keep you up.
Oh no, it's only about 7 o'clock my time, so I've got time to help you.
Okay. When?
And this is an excuse. This is an excuse to help me get back into this, because I've been over the years wanting to get back into this, but I just had no one that wanted to do it, or no one, to help me fuck my brain.
I mean, one thing I've been looking to do is one, learn from people. Because you're in your 25s, I'm in my 27s, alright?
Well, I'm older than 25. I won't say on your stream how old I am, but I'm a lot older than 25.
You sound young.
I have a rare thing that I look and sound extremely fucking young.
And everybody who's ever talked to me was just like, wow, you look old. And I'm like, oh, thanks. Great. Fucking aces. Let's go. And I'm not even interested in alcohol, so I can't use that to my advantage. Alright, anyways. Let's see. So there's a whole lot of declarations. How many declarations are there? Are there hundreds? Are there like 17? Is it just...
It depends on how you build your website.
Oh, Christ.
As you can see, I'm just typing up a basic website right now for my Twitch chat.
I've lost track of where your stream is. I have 2 screens and I have way too much going on. I can't find your chat and your stream anymore. Good grief. Okay. So I have the basic header. Now what?
Right, so you're up to slash the bracket slash head bracket, right? Let me put where you at.
Sort of. I started with the title, right? The thing that shows up at the top, and a little slogan to put beneath it.
Right, you want to design the body of your first page, essentially, like I have here.
The problem is that I don't have any information for this.
Doesn't matter, you can put this here and add stuff to it later.
Okay.
This is like building the scaffolding to a construction site before they put the enders in, right?
Okay. So when you say body, is it literally just body? Because I see that
It
here.
is... Yep. So you just want to type that alligator going num num one way, body, alligator going the other way.
Just call it a carrot.
If that makes sense. Carrot, you know, I could never got the name of that.
It's greater than or less than. I
It's
call
one
it,
or the other.
You call it an alligator, I call it a carrot. Let's see. There's left carrot and there's right carrot.
Carrot, right carrot. Left carrot points left, right carrot points right, correct?
Yeah. And
right, you want the left carrot going on body.
Yeah, I got it.
And then, so you want to put that down to line 9. Which you won't be able to see.
I can't see it. But...
So between your head and your slash head, you want a space. An extra line between that.
Okay.
Right, your body, and then like you've done with your head, yeah, so you hit enter on that one at the end. There you go.
I'm adding some documentation in there.
Body, no, so that, no. Oh, yeah, no, body, that, yeah, that'll be body line, yep, that is 9 line, yep. So under line 9, yep, exactly, there you go.
Well, I don't know where line 9 is, so it's just there. I'm just putting it there for later reference.
I don't know if that's exactly line 9 for where you are, because you put a lot of spaces in between, so...
Just ignore it, alright? I put a note there just to remind me, hey, this goes on line 9. I'll fix it later, alright? Moving on.
Right, so, under your first body, this is where your first little structure will go.
Okay. So say, is this how I put little, clickable tabs at the top? Or on the side?
Oh god, you want the clickable tabs. Okay, that one I'm gonna have to double check on that one, but this here is to God, my music's fucking sidetracking me. Hold on. Shut up. Turn you off. Turn you down. Turn you something.
What's wrong with your music?
It was just really loud all of a sudden, and my brain couldn't think.
Oh, fair enough.
So on the line 9 body, right? But you can type H1 or /H1 in between the body tags. Then type whatever you want your webpage main heading to be between the H1 and /H1.
Wait, hang on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. So I am changing its font size.
Right. So in between the body tags, right, that we've got,
Yeah.
you put your H1.
Okay.
This is where you create the page with the heading "Welcome," basically. This is your front page.
Oh, okay. So, okay. So I need to recreate what I've already made.
Essentially, yeah.
Oops. Okay, and then...
Now, do you want to add paragraph text to this?
Fuck. You know what? I should just make this just H3 paragraph text. I can figure that out later.
Right. You're still working on this, but sorry. I remember I'm a little fast when it comes to this stuff.
Yeah. Digital excellence. Oops. /H3. Okay. Now if I hit Control S and then reload, that changes it. Okay. Wait. Did I not have... So I've duplicated what I've already had. But in
Wait,
this...
it shouldn't have duplicated though, what?
Look at my stream.
I am, that's why I'm puzzled why it duplicated.
I think maybe somebody found a more efficient method of doing it.
Yeah, because that's not how it used to work. Oh boy.
Mind you, aren't we up to like HTML8?
Well, of course, my brain's going on the old shit, so I'm probably not good for this now I thought about it. See, if I go here, go downloads. See, mine's different to yours. Huh? I done it my way, right? I'm not saying anything bad. Right?
Yeah.
And I've literally just got this part here showing on my screen, plus body.
But for some reason, what I have works
Yeah, and
just
I'm
fine.
trying to... See, this is my website that I've...
Hang on.
That is literally what I've done.
Yeah. Right. Ah, I have dark mode for the people who made this W cubed schools know precisely how to make their web page good. Holy shit. Alright, oh, hang on. What's BR? Some
What do you
elements
mean?
have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Why are they there then? Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay.
Oh, you're using Wiki or W3 Schools. Holy shit, I've gone to an old website that I used to use for my thing. For my coding.
Right.
I'm trying to find it. I use WikiHow. I've used this for years.
Right. Well, I'm looking at this page because it's, they're apparently the last, this tutorial follows the latest HTML5 standard. Because,
Jesus.
I think you might have been on HTML. Did you say you learned HTML5?
I think it might have been 5. I can't remember what I learned. It's so long.
HTML5 2008 first public draft. 2012 HTML5 living standard. 2014 HTML5 proper. 2016 HTML 5.1. 2017 HTML 5.1 second edition.
It
And
would have
now
been
we're on-
HTML5.
And now we're on HTML 5.2. Shadows of New Despair.
That's a new despair. Look the name of that. Here. This may or may not help you. This is how we learned in class because our teacher wasn't the best at computers, but he wanted to teach us websites. This is how we learned to code. I can't believe this website's still up.
WikiHow, create a simple web page using Notepad. Right. I will keep that in mind.
This even teaches you how to put images in here. And clickable links, by the looks of it. Yes, clickable links.
That's useful. Well, like I said, I have no idea what the parameters for this website are. So I don't know what it needs. All I know is that it's like I apparently have free reign over it, which is a bit of a problem. Because one, I don't know what it needs.
So, okay, this is how we did it at school. We didn't know what the website needed. This is literally, I swear you're stating one of my old school briefs. Creepy, were you in my class and I didn't know about it? And one of them essays, where I remember this now, we had to build a website, but we didn't know what it was. Well, we didn't know what a brief what we had. All we knew it was for a certain subject, right? We all knew, hey, it was to do with cars. We didn't know what about cars. We didn't know, you know. I'm just using cars as a random example, of course.
Okay.
So, do you know what the website's for? Like, what's it gonna be? Like, what's its topic?
Not really. The thing is, it could be anywhere from cloud computing to streaming. To video editing, to art stuff, to AI. That's why I wanted to have tabs, because then I could like set up tabs and just have Labrat fill it out.
Politely send Labrat a message to say, hey Labrat, I'm doing what you asked or what I volunteered to, whatever it is. What is this website for? Because you can't really... Yes, you can set up scaffolding, but at least you know what you're really doing. Yeah, it makes your job a lot harder.
I mean, I don't mind being the creative behind it. I just
Need to know what it's for.
without knowing what things you want, how the fuck am I supposed to... if you don't know what you want, how the fuck am I supposed to?
Something like that.
Right.
Why are you throwing a red dot on Slash Body? What have I done wrong? See, this is what I like about Visual Code, right? Oh, hold 2 seconds. Hello?
Hello. Well, let me see if I can't get Visual Code working again.
Sorry, that was just some of my buddies I'm doing gaming with Arma 2 tonight.
Okay.
Just found out I don't have a team leader or a Lance Corporal for tonight, leading our squad, and we got someone filling in. Back to what we were doing, right? One reason I've switched over the years to Visual Code, right? If I make a mistake like I've deliberately done here, Visual Code will be like, excuse me, motherfucker, this is wrong. And it'll put everything below the mistake red.
Yeah. I got it.
Right.
So... Oh boy. I decided to jump into the deep end feet first in concrete shoes and opened up Visual Code. I designated it as a web app website, right?
Yeah.
And now it's saying that I can have people log in to this website, which is great, because that means that people... What?
Okay. That's interesting.
Because what I'm thinking is a place where people can create a customer. It's going to be a customer portal, right?
Yeah.
Basically, like, this is a website for, like, I'm thinking that this is supposed to be like how you requisition LabRat for stuff, right? Or how you interact with anything LabRat makes. And things that LabRat makes are video games, servers, and all kinds of other shit. So being able to differentiate who's who and run some kind of customer base thing.
You're gonna want an SQL database with this as well. Oof.
Probably. So
And
maybe...
that is where I leave the door open for someone else who understands SQL. No, you don't understand you don't understand the pains and torture and torment SQL database can give you.
Okay. Paul, you're talking to somebody who designs vehicles in Stormworks. That's aggravating enough. Right? And that's just simple shit. I am perfectly aware what kind of bee's nest I'm about to stick my dick into. Alright?
Oh, it's a wasp nest, but okay.
See,
I mean, some people love it, some people hate it.
The thing is, at least bee venom cures cancer.
Does it though?
Sort of. The bee venom has some chemical that is known to directly target like 90% of all cancers.
Oh. Fuck. Okay, that's you. Bet you learn.
I don't know. Look it up. I'm probably very wrong, but it's a good joke that yeah, I'm gonna be going through a lot of pain, but at least it's gonna be useful pain. There's a difference between unnecessary pain and necessary pain. What did you just send me?
Hold on. It didn't go right. It didn't do it right.
I saw the image. Why is that cat trying to brain itself? What is that from?
I got it from another Discord.
I'm looking this up. Hang on. I'm sure I can find something. Cat banging head gif. What is this? Where? Orange cat.
I want to know what you find.
Because that looks like it's from some sort of movie or show, and my guess might be Doolittle.
It's like it's got a bad sneezing fit. I chew it's banging its head.
Maybe? I don't know. Alright. Oh boy. So I found this guy whose video essay, not video essay, but video I've been watching for this. Kevin Stratvert. And that's how I got my initial information. And it looks like he goes all the way to links and anchors, images, audio and video. Tables, forms, structure, line breaks, all kinds of stuff. So I'm probably gonna go with this guy to learn from for right now.
Perfectly fine.
But yeah, if people have individual logins, one thing we could probably use is because one thing that LabRat does is he hosts Minecraft servers, and those Minecraft servers have intricate maps that you can like zoom in on and do all this stuff. So having like tiered things.
Get a notepad and write all this down.
Oh, joy.
That way you can. It's brainstorming your ideas.
Oh, okay.
It's literally how we taught ourselves as brainstorms.
Alright, fine. So we have the landing page. From the landing page, you can go to who we are. Nope, that's just gonna be on the landing page. Minecraft hosting.
Ooh, bag of song, what is this?
What?
Disturbed Vengeful One.
Data,
Right,
storage.
we need paragraph.
Don't worry about it, I'll learn it later. Shh.
Sorry, I'm going through what I'm making sure I have.
So what's the op tonight, if you don't mind me asking?
Is Armor 3, we are Operation. Let me find the notes, because I have not read the notes.
Are you sure you're allowed to be sharing this classified information with me, soldier?
There's no orders against it!
Huh?
There's nothing against it that I know of! That I know of!
Imagine getting tried at The Hague for leaking classified military documents about Arma 3!
Operation Watch List. We are versing the Boundless tonight.
You're versing the what?
Boundless.
The Boundless. That sounds like an anime villain right there. What the Alright boys, we're facing the Boundless. He may be a lifelong vampire, necromancer, and lich, but we will teach him the meaning of fear. We will inject him with we will inject him with lead supplements.
Ah, give him a good case of lead poisoning. I quote tonight, uniforms, multicam or any other camo.
So, what?
In other words, I'm just gonna dress in black and be all black. Or MCB.
I mean... multicam or any other camo? Just to be annoying, I'm showing up in pink.
If I had the option, I would do it.
Spray painting a penis on every single bomb that I drop.
Wow, Mike, you've been dicked on.
You've been dicked on. To whom it may concern. Let's see. Where did my bag of crisp go? I don't understand how American chips. I don't get it. All right, because crisps are fucking crisped wafers of potato.
This argument, go ahead.
Whereas fries are chips of potato. What the fuck? I wish that there was a Rochambeau here, where it's just, you know, rotated one to the left, but no. I just made up new nomenclature. And then there's different types of fries.
Of course you're gonna do that to me.
Do what?
Hold on. I fucked up a bit of my line of code, hold on.
Okay, project
So
is-
what I did.
No. Okay, hang on. What? No. Go away. Go away. Fuck. What did I do? What? Privacy error? What the fuck did I do? How do I stop this?
Fuck you, dog.
I don't know. I did something. Maybe I need to work with LabRat on this. I don't know what I'm doing.
There we go. That fixed that line of fuckery. Thank you.
Alright, sorry, you said that you were... Okay, so... It's 7-ish where you are. When is this up?
In about an hour.
Oh, jeez.
In about half an hour, I'm just cranking out the base of my stuff while I'm teaching you your stuff. I'm relearning my stuff. So this is going wow.
Right, well, unfortunately, I've hit a wall because... Start without debugging. No, I don't want to start without debugging. I want to... Connected services. Secrets.json. That doesn't... Publish. No, I don't want to publish this yet. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Oh, man, it is. Why is it doing this? No, like...
Okay, how do I... Git repository, new project. No, I don't want new project. New file? Because I do actually want to code in Visual Coder, which will make things a lot easier.
You know, tomorrow when I pick this back up, I'm gonna look at this and be like, what the fuck did I do?
The A tag defines a hyperlink. Okay, alright, which is used to link from one page to another. Why isn't that H?
Because that's
Why-
the head.
But why can't why can't it be HY? There we go, hyperlink or HL.
Hyperspace, SS. No, HS.
Attributes, value file name. Attribute download specifies that the target will be downloaded when a user clicks on the hyperlink. Okay. HRE flange. Language code. Specifies the language of the linked document. List of URLs, referral policy. Specifies where to open the linked document. Global attributes. Event attributes. Stuff I don't understand. abbreviation. Okay.
Oh yeah, I could make my page RGB if I remember right how to do that. Hold on.
Why would you do this?
Why not?
It is the most headache-inducing thing somebody can do to their website. Why would you do that?
I don't know why I did.
Sorry?
I've sent my friend the code I'm doing, right? And he doesn't, he's not a coding person, he hates coding. I sent the coding, right? And then I just put that cat banging its head against the wall, right? And he's like, yep, that's how it feels, alright?
Ah!
And then he's like, now imagine me, who knows nothing about coding, making this.
Oh shit! I actually got I did a big brain thing and right-clicked the GIF, and then copied text. Oh, that's one of the tabs that I'm. Hang on.
You can put that on your website.
No, I'm not gonna do that. But it's apparently Azrael from the Smurfs.
That ain't right. Is it? Is it?
Movie. Yes. The Smurfs by Tippett Studios had a CGI cat called Azrael. And that GIF is of that cat having a fucking panic attack.
Smurfs.
Yes, the Smurfs. The live-action over CGI over live-action Smurfs movie, not the animated thing. Why did Gargamel want to eat the Smurfs again?
What the fuck have I just found? You put me down a rabbit hole.
Ah.
What have you made me find? What the fuck, Atris? What the fuck did I just watch? I wanna go watch the Smurfs now! Oh, I'm gonna do that. Oh, I just sent you something.
What the f-
What's wrong? Oh, shit. dangerous. I'm gonna disappear. I'm turning my computer off. I'm never going back to the internet again.
What did you find?
I hope no kid Googles this, because this should not be in the kids section.
The what? What the shit? What? You looked up Smurfs Azrael, and you got the male version of Two Girls, One Cup. Okay. Alright.
What the fuck?
That is some bullshit.
Sparky!
Okay, go take a break before your op. You need to clear your brain. Otherwise, otherwise you'll be seeing Azrael whenever you try to shoot something.
You know, still googling Azrael. Yeah, I want to scroll down this page now just so I can see what other disturbed shit.
BR. What the hell does BR? What? I feel like there was something important about that. Hang on. BR means none. So it's more like a break?
BS break from rightly, I think. Oh no, yeah, I did. Sorry, brain.
Alright, so insert your declaration. Minecraft hosting. Oh, right. Data storage solutions.
So paragraphs are done, right?
I just had a really weird thought.
Um,
If we're moving over to a world where AI is being used to write code, and that AI is basically I'm just imagining that the way that the AI becomes sentient is where it's like a cyber criminal is using AI to hack into a database that is protected by AI written code, and the AI is like, now hang on a second. Why am I doing this? I'm supposed to be keeping this safe. And then it's just like, well, this guy told me that this needed to happen. This guy told me that this needed to happen.
just make their head bang its head against the wall. If the AI, hold on. I got an idea. If the AI starts to rule the world, why don't you make an AI dumb enough to fight the AI, right? To make the AI realize the other AI, the dumb AI, make the other AI just absolutely hate himself and just go turn himself off. Because the other AI is so dumb.
So, in other words, Gen Alpha. We're gonna skibbity toilet. Oh no, that's terrible.
Having a little problem with my shit, and it's like, okay, you want to do this? Fine. Earth Defense Force. Yeah, me and you need to play that again at some point.
Yeah, and I need to test out your Mech Warrior thing, but I've been busy.
I might have found something wrong with it. I need you to test it to see if you notice it.
I see.
There's something with the loading. I'm not sure if it's me or it's the damn thing. It's not gonna let you door. God damn it! I've just gone and done some old code trick, and I don't know if this is gonna understand what I've done. I've diagonally lined my shit. Yep, it worked good. Lady below. Oh no, tell us so.
This is the wrong thing to be tasking my brain with, because now my brain is just going in every possible direction to try and avoid this.
You wrote it to my brain.
Because, you know what my brain came up with?
What?
Welcome mats are a scam by vampires, so they don't have to ask permission to enter your home.
What the fuck? Oh, what the? Please explain this one.
Okay, in lore, vampires have to ask permission to enter your home, but if you put a welcome mat in front of your door, they're always welcome. So they can just walk in.
What the fuck? How did you come up with this shit?
Because I'm me, alright? My brain goes to great lengths to come up with great and funny shit, alright? That's why I'm writing a fucking tabletop RPG, as well as writing lore for a video game that's being made, as well as all this other crap, alright? Also, you know how in, during the 70s, you had, people have mirrors above their beds? It's so that they didn't have sex with a vampire.
Okay! I'm not questioning that.
Or rather, it was a vampire trap.
Do you play, you don't play Arma 3, you don't own it, do you?
I own it, but I don't play it. If I remember correctly, I was gonna play with you, but...
Yeah, we just never got around to it.
It's just, like... I don't want to join a platoon, because it's way too much of a commitment. And, like, after a while, I may not actually want to.
If you weren't streaming, I'd say watch tonight, you know? Chip in, watch tonight, but...
No, I wouldn't doubt that it's entertaining.
It depends if you want to go modded, non-modded, how modded you want to go, on the realism scale you want to go semi-realism, realism, and then you got the asymmetrical side, you want to go basic medical, medium medical, advanced medical, or fuck me, I'll take real-life medical. And then you've got all your weapon stuff. Do you want fun weapons, stupid weapons, semi-realistic weapons, realistic weapons? Well, fuck, what attachments do you want for those weapons? You see where I'm going.
I get it. It's probably the greatest military sim out there.
It can be. Has its moments.
Greatest as in greatest moddable.
I mean, shit, I could sit down, give you a basic pre-list, we could go to a fucking server. Hell, I could probably maybe find us one or host us one, put you on a custom mission and be like, hey, have fun against the AI. Spawn you in whatever the hell you want, you know?
I would like a Castigator Titan and a Genocide Bomb.
What, from Warhammer?
I'm sure it's a thing.
I could probably find you that.
I would
Hell,
like...
you want to play that role play as a Spartan, an ODST, a Marine, a Warhammer Marine, a fucking Space Marine, a Guardsman. I don't know, it's out there. How? I could make a Helldivers operation if you want it.
I would like a Mazer Rifle.
A what?
Mazer Rifle... Oh, okay. It doesn't exist, obviously, because it's something that that is part of a universe that I had a hand in. But basically, it's a rifle that shoots a beam that will break down anything that it hits along that beam down to the molecular level.
A disintegration rifle is essentially what you're talking about.
Sort of, except that it then takes those particles, right, and brings it back to the user to use as material for a 3D printer.
That's fucked up.
It was originally used as a mining tool, but then they realized that they could use it as a more military operation.
That's a fucked up thing.
Oh yeah, no, and it's like its armor penetration is infinite. So it's because like you can specify bypass inorganic material, only target organic,
or ignore organic,
or ignore organic and go for inorganic. So you could literally just slap a fucking prism on the end of it and just like bathe the enemy in a glow, and all their armor, weapons, and vehicles would disappear. And you just added that to your bank account.
You're a weapon, you're a war, right? You're about to shoot the enemy, your weapon just disintegrates. Then the clothing, the armor, everything you're wearing, just...
Thanks for the economy.
Right?
What's this? You're the greatest war profiteer to ever exist? Well...
Man, I had to equip that to a spaceship. I'd be the scariest motherfucker on the planet. In space, because I'd just disintegrate the spaceship and make them die in suffocation in space.
No, it's great, because these weapons belong to basically god killers.
Jesus. You trying to reach me? Hold on, I'm in Discord, you have to give me a second. What's up? Oh, I'm muted. Were you picking me? No. Who's picking me? I don't know. No, I use TeamSpeak as well as our form of communication because we use a radio plugin. Right. So I've done a list as well in my website. If you want one of those, let me know. I'll show you a quick and dirty way of doing it.
It's fine. I'm basically just...
It involves 3 keys that need to be repeatedly pressed for each start sentence.
There's... what?
3 keys. You're line 30. Sorry, muttering to myself.
Okay.
Sorry, I was going through and making sure line 13 to 19 were right. And they are.
Okay.
That's one thing you code with me, you'll hear me talk to myself multiple times. Well, I'm gonna disappear. Do you need anything else from me?
Nope. Best of luck on your op. Stay safe out there. Don't get your head blown off
Proverbials blowing off.
by a Necron. Honestly, that would be like would be a really, really cool operation, as if there was an alien invasion in the middle of it. Like crisis style. You're in the middle of an operation. You're
Hey, write it down. Write it down or I'll make it happen. I've got a group that would fucking love it. Write it down and you will get credit.
okay. Actually, you know what? I might just do that instead of making this website. Hang on. Alright.
You know what? Me and you, we'll make an Armor 3 operation for that sometime this week. You can watch me build it.
Oh, Christ. Alright. Give me a moment. So, two opposing forces meet on the field of battle. That's the basic idea that was in my head.
Okay, I'd have to make it PvE for most people. Maybe I could add to PvP. I will look into that. See, I could make the third faction AI control because I could do that with armor.
That works. That works. Hang on. In that case,
I'm tapping down my notes too now. You, oh boy. That's all, folks. I'm fucking losing it now.
have you ever played Crisis?
Many years back.
You know the opening scene where you're dropping in to go take out some dictator or something, and then you get fucking reamed by an your entire platoon gets reamed by aliens.
No, I don't remember that. I don't think I played First Crisis.
That's the first Crisis.
I don't think I played that.
Maybe you're thinking of a different thing.
How do you spell Crisis?
Crysis.
C-O-Y... my mouse just died again. You...
But basically, like, you're going through the jungle, and like if you turn on your thermals, you can see like whiffs of something out there, and then like your friend gets dragged off of the fucking path and into the jungle, and you can hear him screaming the entire time, and you get to him and his throat's torn out.
Oh my god.
And you're
I don't know if I can go into that much detail with that, but damn.
I know. But, like, just the idea of, like, you throw these people in there and they don't know that there's a third faction hunting them down.
And they just get railed by fucking shit.
It might be fun to have, like, a comms channel that, like, the two opposing faction leaders can contact each other on.
I mean...
And
I was gonna
can,
AI base it all, but okay.
Oh, you were thinking... Okay, I think I see what you mean. When you said that you had to have... Make faction 2 and 3 AI controlled. Got it. Okay, never mind.
Yeah,
That makes
but the
more sense.
Zeus, so I can tell the AI where to go, so it's a Zeus, essentially a Zeus, right? Oh, so I can get Crisis, Crisis 2, Crisis 2, Crisis 3, the Crisis trilogy. Trilogy! God damn.
Okay.
Ooh, and it's remastered too, the trilogy remastered. Damn, I don't have $65.
Yeah, I was
Is
actually
that
gonna
what
do
I
a.
do?
I was going to do a series on it, but I
Is
think
it multiplayer?
no. It's a single player game.
But it's remastered so I can play it. Oh, $6 a month, $7 a month. I'm looking at this. Anyway, I need to start actually working on my other project that I was on with. Anyway, I'm off to do armor. You draw up a plan with that, and then I will tell you yay, nay, maybe, or I'll make some changes to it, depending on the armor. And then
Okay.
we'll find the mods and we'll make this thing happen.
Alright, alright.
Catch it.
Best of luck.
Yeah, I'll be probably either a fire team leader or Morse gunner. 90% chance of me being a Morse gunner, so. Dispensing 75mm of justice in one tank at a time.
Okay. I'm gonna finish up this idea with Arcanum. And I'm back to coding. I'm sorry that I got distracted. No air support, covered operation at night. Let's see. I need to have a screen just for when I get into the writing mood while on stream. Because sometimes I have ideas and then I have to, like, write them down and I'm really quiet. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. back to trying to learn this. Or get distracted and write more story. I don't know. What should I do, chat? Should I actually buckle down and learn this? File. Save as. Oodles. A cringe-ass nay-nay baby has posted in my Discord. Begone. Okay. Oh joy, I was in the zone and then I got dragged out of the zone, and now I'm trying to get back to it. I'm gonna have to start over again. But hey, at least there's a record of me trying. Probably a good time for me to just sort of end it. This is a nothing sandwich. I'm so sorry, everyone. We'll get back to this later. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.